The ROV is a remote operated vehicle. There are very many types of them, and it's a new type of technology. It's a new robot, so regulatory, they're catching up with what technology has already produced. So there's different classes of them. I personally work with the small inspection type ROV, but there are larger ones, for instance, ones that need to be lifted in and out of the water with a crane. And those can actually do some manual work underwater as well. But the ROV that I work with, I use just as an underwater camera, kind of similar to a drone, how people are using drones to take photos. And so I'm using a robot underwater. There's a little bit more consideration for the underwater environment, and as well as I have to use a tether because I can't just use a radio signal because working through water is different than working through air. So I have to be mindful of that tether, that it doesn't get caught on anything. But I can check all the underwater equipment, the underwater hull, and any damage analysis or anything that maybe insurance would need in case of an emergency. Or we can also use it as a first response. If we are calling divers out, we can tell them what tools to bring if there's an issue underwater, and so they're more prepared and they can use their time more efficiently.